Hey tech lovers! Welcome back to Tech PulseWave, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets, giving you the lowdown without the tech jargon. Today, we're taking a closer look at the OnePlus 12. Is it really the flagship killer it's touted to be? Let's find out. First off, the OnePlus 12 doesn't just enter the room. It makes an entrance. With a design that refuses to be just another brick in the wall, it sports one of the most eye-catching color options we've seen. But it's not just a pretty face. OnePlus has always played a unique game, positioning itself as the underdog that's not really an underdog. The OnePlus 12 continues this tradition, aiming to outmatch its competitors, not just on performance but on value too. With a price tag of $799.99 with OnePlus's generous trade-in offer, it's throwing down the gauntlet. But what do you get for that price? Comparing it to the heavyweights like the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro, the OnePlus 12 punches above its weight class in several key areas. Its display is not just large, it's sharp and can reach a brightness level that rivals its more expensive competitors. And let's talk about battery life. A full 35% larger than the Galaxy S24, ensuring you're powered for days. Camera-wise, OnePlus has crafted a device that can take compelling images, challenging even the best camera phones out there. And with water resistance, you can capture moments worry-free, even in the rain or by the pool. In daily use, the OnePlus 12 is a joy. Its performance, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, is stellar. Whether it's gaming or productivity tasks, it keeps up without breaking a sweat. And with its light touch on Android through Oxygen OS, it's refreshingly simple to use, without the bloatware that can clutter other devices. Now, if fast charging is your jam, the OnePlus 12 will not disappoint. With its dual battery setup, it can hit a full charge in just under 30 minutes with the included 80W charger, outpacing both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But what do you think? How important is battery life and charging speed in your decision to buy a smartphone? Would you consider the OnePlus 12 over others mainly for its battery advantages? Let us know in the comment section below. So, should you buy the OnePlus 12? If you're after a phone that stands out for its performance, design, and value, then absolutely. It's a phone that knows its strengths and plays to them well, now with added water resistance for peace of mind. The OnePlus 12 is undeniably cool, and for many, that'll be more than enough reason to pick one up. Thanks for watching, everyone. For more detailed reviews and tech insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. I'll see you in the next video.